Hello and welcome to Home Cooking Spain. Today I'm going to cook a one-pan minced meat, potatoes and peas stew. The ingredients will be left at the end of the video and also in the description of this video. Well, to start off, I will chop this onion up. And also the garlic. And I shall also slice the potatoes up at about 1 centimetre thickness. I haven't got any large potatoes, so I'm using 6 smaller ones. I need to go shopping tomorrow for some potatoes. Let's see what the price is. I think they're around €1.20 a kilo, which is a nightmare. They used to be around 55, 60 a kilo. So let's see tomorrow when I go shopping. And while I'm here, I'll chop this little bit of parsley from my garden, which is not necessary in the recipe. It's just for poshing it up at the end and give it a nice colour. Okay then. Oh, and I nearly forgot. How could I miss this? I'm going to cut a few slices, just 3 slices. Look at all them seeds. I will be keeping some of these and plant them in my garden. Should be interesting if they turn out this big. So the next step will be to add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. I need to buy some more tomorrow as well. Hardly any left. And I'll turn this up and wait for it to heat up. And once the oil is hot or hottish, I will add the garlic and the onion. And let it cook there for a couple of minutes. I will give this a little stir. And in a minute, I will add the minced meat. So now, let's add the minced meat. And we'll crumble it up. And we'll leave it there, stirring it occasionally until it's browned off. I wish I had some chorizo, because I reckon it would be extra delicious with chorizo added to this. What do you think? What I would do, I would get 1 chorizo and slice it up in little 1/2 centimetre slices and just brown it up there with the rest. Let me know in the comments if you would add chorizo or not. So We'll stir this every now and then, just so that it doesn't burn. I've still got it on high, as high as it would go. Number 9 in my case. And it's browning off really nice. Once the redness disappears, it doesn't actually have to be brown. I will be adding the rest of the things. So I'll be back. Another thing I forgot to mention, this is minced pork, but obviously you can use any type of mince, whether it be turkey, chicken, lamb, beef, rabbit, you name it. Okay, so this is just about right now. There's no redness in the meat. So what I'll do is turn the heat down to number 7, and I'm going to add some salt. Also, I'm going to crumble in the stock cube. I'm going to put in some thyme, a sprinkle of thyme, and also some sweet paprika. And a couple of tablespoons of fried tomato. And I'll mix it all in nicely. Smelling lovely. I find it easier using 2. You work twice the speed. So we'll leave that for a minute, stirring it occasionally. So it's been here for a couple of minutes. So it's the next step now. Let's flatten it up nicely. And I will add in the potatoes. I should have calculated just about right. Remember, it's for 2 people, hungry-ish people. So the potatoes are there, and now the peas. These are frozen, by the way. I just put them under some water, so they're soft now. Okay, so that is that. And now we'll add the water, which I want to cover everything up. So in this pan, which is about 30 centimeters diameter, half a litre is just about fine. Just make sure that everything is covered up nicely. We'll mix it in there a bit. And we'll turn the heat up and bring it to the boil. Okay then, it's starting to bubble away. So what I will do now Let's turn the heat down to number 7, which is medium high. Cover it up, leaving a little gap, and we'll leave it there for about 15 minutes. Okay then, it's been here for exactly 15 minutes, and as you can see, the sauce is starting to thicken up. Let's check the potatoes. Potatoes are just about there. I like them soft. Look at the sauce. So let's have a salt check. Yes, it's good. So what I'll do now is put the peppers there. Cover it back up with the same gap, and I will turn it down to number 5, so to medium heat, and I reckon 10 minutes should do it. I'll be back. Okay then, so I'm back. Let's turn this extractor fan off. We shall uncover the pot. And look at that. Beautiful. So what we'll do now is turn the heat off. I'm going to flip these peppers over. This looks so delicious. God. It all nicely like that. So what are you thinking about this meal? And what I'll do now is just cover it fully back up and leave it there 10 minutes to rest, and then we shall posh it up. So it's been 10 minutes. And look at that. What do you think of that? Let me know. So now it's time to posh it up a bit. Well, there you go. Today's recipe. A 1-pan minced meat, potatoes and pea stew. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I look forward to making the next recipe. Thank you for watching. Please give me a like, subscribe, and see you soon. Bye bye.